welcome all. Well, as you can see, this is a Harbor Freight 3-ton floor jack, low profile. I bought this and a couple jack stands to go with it, oh geez, 4 or 5 months ago, and I have them sitting out in my open carport here, and the rain's been blowing in on them, and believe it or not, this package used to be a really red, but if I don't get to unboxing this soon, I think Mother Nature's going to do it for me. It's a 6,000 pound capacity jack, low profile, and a couple 3-ton jack stands to go with it. I bought this jack to replace this aging Harbor Freight yellow jack right there. I bought that some 25 years ago. It's been a good one, but it leaks a little bit, and I don't trust it like I used to. Well, as you can see, it comes well packaged. The box is pretty soggy, didn't want to cut very well. Instructions are a little wet, but they're in plastic, so Harbor Freight was thinking ahead on that one. Just go ahead and assemble these two parts together. Okay, there's the handle. That is done. It's one nice looking jack. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the box, and as you can see, I decided that moving this is not such an easy task unless you put it on a hand truck. It does have some weight to it. Of course, you can lift it and carry it around. I know I used to do these type of things. As I get older, this is easier. Okay, I'm going to remove the handle. I didn't have it tightened in there anyway. And I remove this plastic piece right here. I think it should just pull out. This thing may pop up, so be prepared. And it did. Now if you had the handle in here, be prepared to get hit in the head if you're leaning over it, so be very, very careful. Do not have the handle in here when you remove this plastic piece. Follow the instructions in the instruction manual. Okay, the handle just slides right down into here. Maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. Anyway, goes over that piece, and there's a set screw right here that holds it in. There. You'll feel the handle slip down into there, and then tighten the set screw and pull up on the handle. It does not turn. You can move this down to that position. You can see that if you turn this, you have your handle in. Now I need to remove these 4 set screws. Okay, now I need to take this fill plug loose and check and see if it's full of hydraulic oil. This is according to the instructions. Well, I can see oil in there. Is it full? I don't know. How full do you want to get it? I happen to have some hydraulic jack oil, so see if I can make a mess here. Alright, it didn't take very much. Put the fill plug back in, or fill cover plug, Now it says to pump it up a few times under load, which I am not going to do. I will do that later, but I do want to pump it up a few times to see if it's going to leak. Okay, I'm going to pump it up a few times. First of all, I got to tighten it up. Let her down. I am going to have to put a load underneath it, and I will check back and see if that plug leaks after a load, and then I will put the cover back on. Instructions did say to check the oil level after checking the load and all that. You go back and check your level. Okay, time to unbox these jack stands and get back to putting that jack under a load. Look there, they came with instructions too. Super. Alrighty, once you got these little guys in, this tab needs to be bent in on each of them so as to keep this from sliding completely out. That's what you want. You don't want it sliding back out. Okay. There's two. Well, if you're wondering why I bought this jack, besides needing one, the reason is it'll lift 6,000 pounds. This Corvette weighs 3,245. It's a 98 coupe. Each jack stand will hold 3,000 pounds apiece, and so I can get this car level so I can get back to changing the oil, so I can get back to trying to get it started. That's what this is all about. So without further ado, let's see how she raises her up. Alright, I got the two jack stands under there, and I left a little tension on the jack, not much, as added support, so that's even better. And I would say it looks fairly level. It's probably leaning a little forward now, but I'm going to change the oil with it right there the way it sits. So until the next video, I want to thank you all for subscribing. I want to thank you all for watching. And me and the birds say bye for now.